So let's say if I am selecting United States, then it will automatically pop up all the states in USA. So if I am selecting Georgia, it will automatically get all the cities from Georgia, and your user can easily fill up this data. So these are the two fields, and also like you can add options to show specific country list with this add-on. So this is part of our Pro add-on. Let me show you how it works. First of all, you need to make sure these three plugins are enabled. A link of how to do all these, a video link should pop up on top of this video by now. Now let's go to all add-ons and look for autocomplete. Yeah. So you need to enable this add-on. Now let's create our form. So on dynamic selection, let me show you how the field works. So you select country drop down here, and then you select dynamically populate. And here, if you want to show only specific countries, you can put their ISO code. And if you want to show default country, you can put their ISO code, that ISO code here. Let me show these two later. Just showing the default one for now. And then city, we select automatically option. Now state. Oh, sorry. So basically state should be before city. There is no zip code option for the dynamic selection. So zip code should be filled either through the autocomplete feature, or you can just leave it as it is. Let me save this. I am publish this form. Now, if we go and view, you will see this select country list. And based on the country, we have the state. And based on the state, we have the city selection here. So that's how it works. Let me show you how the specific country and default country list works. So let me remove everything and add a country drop down. So we don't select the dynamically populate. We have to add the ISO codes and US codes. So if you do a quick Google search of ISO codes, you'll get this Wikipedia list, and scroll down, you'll see all these ISO 2 digits ISO codes here. For example, Argentina has AR, Bangladesh has BD, Belgium has BE, like this. So let me add here. So Argentina, BD, US, GB is for UK, and for the default list, we select, let's say, US. Now we insert, we save this. Now if we reload, so you will see we have the United States showing by default, and we have only this specific country list here. Now, if I am selecting United Kingdom, it will show, because we haven't selected the dynamic selection, so it's not showing the states. So we have to go back and select dynamic selection. So that's how the specific and default country works. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.